Hi everyone, welcome to the Theory of Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC, it's question number 5. Tammy's in 6th grade and weighs 106 pounds. His quadruplet sisters are tiny babies that weigh 5, 5, 6, and 8 pounds. Which is greater, the average mean of those 5 children or the median, and by how many pounds? So let's just try to put all the weights in order. We're going to have 5, 5, 6, 8, and 106. Right, so the mean is going to be all these added together divided by 5. And the median is just going to be the central one here. So central number. So 1 here, cross 1, cross 1, cross 1, cross 1. It's going to be 6. So we have the median is going to be 6. So now let's just find the mean. So the mean is going to be the average of these, or the median weight, and by how many pounds. Okay, yeah. So we know that the average is going to be higher, right? Because you have this huge number here that's going to weigh it up. So the median is not going to be the higher one, so you're going to have the averages. And now we know that it's not going to be by 5, right? This is too big of a difference, really, because if you have 106 after starting to divide by 5, you should have like about 20. But we don't really know if it's whether it's D or E, so let's just do it out. You have 10 plus 14 plus 106 divided by 5. This right here is 130 divided by 5, which is 26. Yeah, 26. So your median is 26. I'm sorry, not your median. Your mean is 26, and your median is 6, which means the difference between these is 20, which means that E is your answer.